Hello and welcome to my channel. Here I collect, repair, and operate Lionel toy trains and others such as American Flyer and Marks. If you like this type of content, please remember to subscribe, hit the like button, ring the bell, and leave your comment below. Thank you very much for being here. This is probably the oldest piece, or at least the oldest engine I have in my collection. This is an old Ives. An old Ives, I think they call it the S-type motor, engine, loco. Let's see if we can do it without derailing it. It's really sensitive. The least little bit of power you give it wants to take off. I guess because it's not pulling anything. And so it's kind of a pain to take it apart, so I don't think I'm going to. But there's the manual, I guess for lack of a better term, E-unit drum right there that changes the direction, forward, neutral, and reverse. Oh, that's why I keep stalling. It's missing one roller, which I'll either try to buy a new part, a replacement part, or I'll DIY something on my own. But it seems to be okay with the one. There's just certain parts of the track it stalls. I like it. It's pretty rough, but it runs.